In many marriages, something slowly changes. The conversations become shorter. The attention fades. The emotional connection weakens. And many wives silently wonder, how do I reconnect with my husband again? The truth is, attention in marriage is deeply connected to emotional energy, communication, and connection. Today, you will learn healthy and powerful ways to rebuild closeness, attention, and emotional attention in your marriage. Number one of them are, understand why attention changes. Many people assume that attention disappears because love disappears. But often life becomes overwhelming. Stress, work pressures, routine, financial challenges, and emotional exhaustion can slowly affect connection. Sometimes husbands become distracted, not because they stop caring, but because they stop feeling emotionally connected. This is the reason why understanding matters more than assumption. Number two of them are, confidence attracts attention. One of the most powerful qualities in any relationship is confidence. When the wife values herself, grows emotionally, and maintains peace within herself, her energy changes. People naturally notice confidence. Continue growing, learn new things, take care of yourself, build inner peace, maintain purpose beyond the relationship. Healthy attraction grows when both people continue evolving. Number three of them all, communication creates connection. This is more important. Many marriages suffer because communication becomes transactional. People only talk about bills, schedules, and problems. But emotional connection requires intentional communication. Listen deeply, speak kindly, show appreciation. Small words can change the atmosphere of a relationship. Sometimes a husband only wants peace, understanding, encouragement, and emotional safety. Connection grows where appreciation exists. Number four of them are, create positive energy in a relationship. People naturally move towards environments that feel peaceful and uplifting. Constant criticism, tension, and negativity slowly push connection away. Now, this doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means learning how to approach issues with wisdom instead of constant conflict. Create moments of laughter, create emotional warmth, and create shared experiences. Relationship grows stronger when positive memory increase. Number five of them are, focus on partnership and not control. Healthy relationships are not built on manipulation. Real connection comes from partnership, trust, respect, and emotional maturity. Do not focus on controlling attention. Focus on becoming emotionally connected again. Strong marriages are built when both partners feel seen, heard, appreciated, and respected. Love grows where emotional safety exists. Now, attention in relationship is not about chasing someone. It is about rebuilding emotional connection internally. Grow together, communicate better, protect peace, create warmth. And remember, the strongest relationships are not perfect. They are consistent, intentional, and emotionally connected. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is waiting to build a stronger marriage. Remain blessed.